बार मॉनसून कमजोर रहेगी, इस बात की संभावना है कि मॉनसून उतनी मजबूत नहीं होगी जितनी रहती रही है। सामान्य से कम रहेगा मॉनसून। सरकार की तरफ से बयान दिया गया है। जितेंद्र सिंह जो विज्ञान मंत्री हैं, उन्होंने यह बयान दिया है, ये कहते हुए कि मॉनसून इस बार कमजोर होगा।
More topical and topical from the point of view of news. Now that the Amarnath Yatra is going to set in the last week of June, so we would perhaps for the first time have a much more improvised method of making periodic forecasts about weather during the period of Amarnath Yatra, and these forecasts could be taking place every 6 hours, so which means at least 4 times in 24 hours, and if required even more. And this is going to happen with the help of what we describe as coupled model forecasting system, which is a relatively an innovative methodology in this country, and which would also help us to make more precise weather forecasts during the Amarnath Yatra, so that the kind of adverse effects occurring as a result of weather uncertainties during the course of Yatra, which have been witnessed over the last several years, could be minimized. So that is one contribution that the Department of Earth Sciences is going to make to the successful and a healthy conduct of the Amarnath Yatra beginning the last week of June.
Tell us more about the monsoon mission
Monsoon mission is right on the track, and we gave last time the experimental forecast. This year also the experimental forecast has been given, which is 96%, and as you know, last time we had said about 106%, and it came right on dot, exactly as that. Also with the monsoon mission, we have started prediction of El Nino also this time, which was given to you. Also the prediction of IOD, that Indian Ocean Dipole. So both these very important parameters which affects our monsoon, we have started giving the forecast for the same. As far as the other activities are concerned, we have now planned from 14th June a major observation in the Bay of Bengal, where the ship from US, the Scripps Institute ship Roger Revell, and our ship Sagar Nidhi, with both Indian and US scientists together, are going to make a lot of measurements for next 1 month to understand the various fluxes which takes place during the monsoon season. And this is going to help us to understand the upper ocean circulation as well as the east-air interaction, so that we will further able to improve our understanding about the monsoon. So this is in nutshell the progress of the monsoon mission.
केदारनाथ हेमकुंड यात्रा के दौरान कुछ मतलब कि पिछली बार जो कुछ भी हुआ था, इस बार वहाँ कुछ फोरकास्ट के लिए कुछ स्पेशल इंतजाम होंगे क्या, या किए जा रहे हैं या करेंगे आप?
वो प्रयास जारी है। अभी जैसे तुरंत अभी कुछ ही सप्ताह के बाद अमरनाथ यात्रा प्रारंभ होने वाली है, तो उसको लेकर के हमने ये जानकारी आपके साथ साझा की है। तो उचित समय आने पर उसके विषय में भी बात की जाएगी। जाहिर है कि जब ये प्रक्रिया आरंभ हो गई है, वैज्ञानिक प्रक्रिया है, तो इसका लाभ और इसकी इम्प्लीकेशंस और इसका उचित उपयोग प्रत्येक अवसर पर किया जाएगा, प्रत्येक यात्रा के समय भी किया जाएगा।
14 different places we have started.
और अन्य 14 जगहों पर इस प्रकार का प्रावधान पहले से ही कर दिया गया, इस प्रकार की व्यवस्था हो चुकी है। और अमरनाथ के संबंध में भी वहाँ स्थानीय स्तर पर भी इस प्रकार की भविष्यवाणियाँ की जा सकेगी। यदि अगर 6-6 घंटे के बाद होता है, तो उससे यात्रियों की ये सुविधा रहेगी कि उसी समय तुरंत उन्हें उसी स्थान पर जानकारी उपलब्ध रहेगी और वो उसी प्रकार की उसमें परिवर्तन ला सकते हैं अपने यात्रा की योजना में।
Dr. Singh, what more can we expect by way of provision of resources or finances as part of your new government to the India Meteorological Department, so that they can forecast the monsoon better and better?
No, the department is on the job, and as and when required, whatever be the requirement of the department is going to be brought in the notice of the appropriate forum, the appropriate ministries, and I'm sure we are getting the optimum cooperation that the department demands, and that is going to be the course in future as well.
Well, heat wave will continue for another 3-4 days. 12th, slightly some respite, but not very significant. But yes,